Hello, I am Teacher Mary. How are you doing today? Are you happy? Or are you sleepy? Okay, so today we'll be looking at verb and subject agreements. Verb and subject agreement. What is a verb? A verb is the action word. A verb is a doing word in a sentence. It is the action that was performed or that is being performed in a sentence. What is a subject? A subject in a sentence, a subject is the doer of the action. A subject is the performer of the action. So, it could be a person, subject could be a person, subject could be a thing. It is that person or that thing that performs the action. Do you get that? Okay, let's proceed. Example of a verb is eat, run, play, sleep, learn, write. Example of a subject in a sentence could be he, she, they, it. So, putting the subject and the verb together, I'll say he plays. Repeat after me. He runs. It rains. He runs fast. So now, looking at subject and verb agreements. So, when the subject is one person, he, person, one person, he. So, the verb will have letter S. You add letter S to the verb. He runs fast. Say it. He runs fast. She goes to school. Say it. She goes to school. Okay, so subject plus verb plus S. Agreement. But if the subject is more than one person, plural, so you don't add S to your verb. Let's give an example. They eat very fast. They eat very fast. He eats very fast. He, one person, eats very fast. Say it. Good job. They eat very fast. And you? Bravo! You're doing great. So, there is an agreement between the subject and the verb. He eats an apple. He eats an apple. They eat apples. They eat apples. They eat apples. You see? They eat apple. No S is added in the word eat. However, when it's one person, he eats, S is added. He eats an apple. I know you're very smart. Yeah. So, I want to say it and you repeat after me. He eats apple. Say it. Good job. They eat apple. Beautiful. You're great. Well done. They play football. Good. He plays football. Good. I love the way you're responding. She goes to school. They go to school. Do you see the difference? She goes to school. Remember, it will take letter S. The verb will take letter S. They go to school. Good job. Okay, so let's do a trial and see how far we've gone. Let's try something. So, give me the correct verb to this sentence. He dash the bread. Okay. So you say he eats the bread. Okay. One more task. They dash very fast. Swim or swims. Good job. You're so smart. Oh, you are so great. So today we'll learn subject and verb agreement. He, she, eats, verb plus S. They, we, I, you plus verb no S. Bye-bye. See you next time.